Okay, sorry guys, the recording was not on. Okay, a square minus b square. Tell me, how many of you remember this? It is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Yes or no? Remember, because plus ab and minus ab, right, gets cancelled. And now if you multiply these two, then we will get a square plus ab minus b square, right? So plus ab minus ab will get cancelled, and I will be left with a square minus b square, right? Right, everyone? Okay, got it? Anna? Okay, so I guess all of us remember these, right? And what is a plus x plus a into x plus b? I hope all of you remember this also. It is x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? We have discussed these, right? So when we talk about 9.5, so 9.5 is totally based on these identities. And now 9.5 is totally based on these identities. Now in 9.4, I had left last three problems and the last 2-3 problems. Did you solve it, guys? Did you solve this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt? No? Yes? Anyone have any doubt? No?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Very good. Right? Seventh one. Okay, okay, Sinchana, seventh one. So let us see question number 7. Let us see question number 7. Now, think about it. Think about it. When you talk about question number 7, okay, when you talk about question number 7, we have this term, right? So I guess whenever we have a bigger term, okay, Sandhya, we will discuss after we wrap this up. Okay, after then we will discuss. Now, let us see in question number 7. Think about it. First of all, break this problem as usual. Break it. Okay, right? Break it. So when we talk about this, what can I write? Tell me, what can I write? I can break the first term, which is 1.5x, right? 1.5x into this whole term. 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4y into, right? 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Okay, anyone have any doubt on this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt on this? First step. Anyone have any doubt on this first step? No? Sinchana, you got this? Right? Okay. And the last two terms, I'm not writing because I will write this as it is at the end. Okay. Now tell me, what is 1.5 into 1.5? What is 1.5 into 1.5? 1.5 into 1.5. Tell me. 1.5 into 1.5.
2.25.
Correct. 2.25. 2.25. What is x into x? X into x.
X square.
X square. Very good. X square. Then 1.5 into 4. 1.5 into 4.
6.0. 6.0.
6, right? Correct. 6. And x into y?
XY.
XY. है ना? Very good. X into y is xy. xy. Okay. Now 1.5 into 3. 1.5 into 3.
4.5x. 4.5.
4.5. Correct. So plus 4.5 x because x is there. So first term, right, we've multiplied using distributive property. Now let us see the second one. Minus 4 into 1.5. Tell me, minus 4 into 1.5. Minus 4 into 1.5.
Minus 6.
Plus 6. Very good. And y into x is xy.
xy.
Correct. Now, minus 4 into 4.
Minus 16.
Minus 16. Very good. And y into y is
Y square. Y square.
yes. And minus 4 into 3.
Minus 12.
Minus 12 y as it, right? Correct. Okay. Now I can write this last term, yes or no. Minus 4.5x plus 12y. Now see this. In this, can you identify the common term? Tell me, x squared. There's no other x squared. xy, 6xy here, minus 6xy here, right? So can I say that this plus 6xy and this minus 6xy will get cancelled? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Sir. Yes, sir.
And what about this plus 4.5x and minus 4.5x? Will get cancelled?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And what about this last minus 12y and plus 12y? Will get cancelled?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what we are left with? Tell me what we are left with.
So 2.25 x square minus 16 y square.
Correct. 2.25 x square minus 16 y square. Yes or no? Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir. No, sir.
It is given now. Tanushri, the question is given, right? Minus 4.6 x, sorry, minus 4.5 x plus 12y. Okay. Got it? Just give me a minute, guys. Just give me a minute. Okay, I'll just be back in. Sinchana, you got this? Tell me, Sinchana, Tanushri.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, Gia also joined. Gia, you got this? Right, Aditya, Kartikeya, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, so seventh one is done, right? Eighth one also, I guess all of you have solved eighth one. Okay, I will explain it again. Okay, so let us see, everyone, let us see first. So first what we had 1.5x minus 4y multiplied with, right, 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So the method, right? The method one, right? Basic multiplication is what? Use distributive property to multiply this. Ayana, that is what we did. That is what we did. 1.5x into this minus 4y into this. Okay, that is what we did. Right? So we got what? 1.5x into 1.5x, 2.25x squared, right? Then 1.5x into 4y, 6xy, 1.5x into 3, 4.5x, right? In the same way, minus 4y into 1.5x. So 6 minus 6xy, right? Then minus 16y squared, right? And minus 12y, right? Just give me. Okay. Okay. Gia, got this now? Then plus 6y minus 6y will get cancelled. Plus 4.5x minus 4.5x get cancelled. Plus 12y minus 12y get cancelled. Right? So we are left with this. We are left with 2.25x squared minus 16y squared. Now this is a method one, right? If you think about the identity, don't you think that this is an identity now? Tell me. Hi Anna. This is identity now, right? Anna. Or now let us be smart, right? Let us be smart. Let us try to now, if we know identity, is there any other method to solve it? Tell me, if we know identity, is there any other method to solve it? Think about it. Now, let me rewrite this problem. Okay, let me rewrite this problem. 1.5x minus 4y. Okay, right? And this one, this term. Now, what is this term? And can I write this term as bracket 1.5x plus 4y plus 3? Yes or no? Tell me. I'm just writing these terms. Can I write like this? Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Tell me. Yes or no? Right? Now, what is this? This is what? A minus B. And what is this? A plus B. Right? Hi, Anna. Tell me. So, can I just rewrite this? Can I just rewrite this 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 into this, 3 into 1.5x minus 4y. Take your time, right? I know that many of you might, right? Yes, we will be doing Kahoot today, right? Take your time. Many of you might not get it at once because you did not solve it. Enough. So try to solve it by yourself first. We are using distributive property only, right? We are not doing anything else. We are just using distributive property, multiplying this with this, then multiplying this with 3. So how many of you got this? Raise your hand. Aditya, got this? Anyone have any doubt? Bindu, you did not get or you don't have doubt? See, 3 is multiplied with this whole now. Multiply who through 3 is multiplied with did not. Okay, right. Let me ask you this. If I'm writing like this, a into, I will just write in other term, right? Let me write like this. Instead of this, if I'm writing like this, a minus b multiplied with a plus b plus c. Okay, right? See the purple one. A minus b is multiplied with a plus b plus c. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? Raise your hand. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? Yes or no? Right? So suppose a minus b is x. Suppose a minus b is x. A plus b is y. Right? So this question is just like this. Now x is multiplied with y plus c. Yes or no? Raise your hand. Step by step. Break it down. Okay, whenever we have any problem, break it down. Break it to simpler problem. Bindu, got this, Bindu? Tell me. Now you got this? Yes or no? अभी समझ में आ रहा है? So use distributive property over here. Right? X into y, xy plus x into c, xc. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Tell me. Think about it. Everyone. Think about it. Yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Anna. So if we see this, here x was what? X was a plus b or a minus b, a minus b. Y was a plus b. In the same way, right? We have 1.5x minus 4y and 1.5x plus 4y. So this is a minus b and a plus b. Right? Got it? So I can just write like this. Now this into this into this, then this into 3. This into 3. Clear hai? Raise your hand, everyone. Jia, Bindu, Sandhya, Tanushri, Aditya, Nabil, Kartikeya, right? Akash, Rohan, Sanvi, Anna.
Sir.
Okay, now tell me, Vihan, tell me, can I say that this is identity? Tell me, a minus b into a plus b. Can I say that this is identity? Tell me, Vihan. Yes, we just discussed it, right? है ना? This is the method 2. There are multiple methods to solve any problem. Very good, Priya. A minus b into a plus b. We just discussed, right? A plus b into a minus b is equal to what? Is equal to what? Tell me. Right? This is what we discussed at the start of the class. है ना? This is equal to a square minus b square. Correct. है ना? So tell me 1.5x minus 4 into 1.5x plus 4y, right? 4y here. I can just write 2.25 x square minus 16 y square, a square minus b square. Yes or no? A square minus b square. Now here plus 4.5x minus 12y, right? 3 into this. But in the problem, we have minus 4.5x plus 12y also. Minus 4.5x plus 12y. So ye to cancel ho gaya. This is cancelled, right? These two terms are cancelled. So this is the answer, right? So if you see, right? Method एक ही है. मतलब just the way of doing this sum is different. Usually क्या होता है, हम लोग बोलते हैं सर अलग मेथड से सॉल्व किया हमने, बस तरीका अलग होता है ना? राइट? तरीका मतलब सॉल्व करने का बीच में कोई स्टेप, दूसरा स्टेप यूज कर लिया हमने, पहले मल्टीप्लाई इसको किया, बाद में उसको किया, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे मेथड इज सेम. ओके, राइट? Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? Aditya? Okay, Tanushree joined, I guess. Tanushree joined now. Okay, chalo. So now let us start 9.5. अगर कोई doubts है भी ना तो 9.5 में clear कर लेना है, right? Even if you have any doubt, we will clear this in 9.5, है ना? 9.5. So we have discussed all the exercises till example, right? Now 9.5 question number 1. 9.5 question number 1. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? You can ask. Any doubt you can ask. No issues, Tanushree, right? 9.1 question number 1. 9.5 question number 1. Any doubt? Ask. I'm checking for your messages. Any doubt? Question number 1. Question number 1. I guess which I will ask you, right? Which identity is used? Okay. Okay. Ninth one. Ninth one we did in ninth one. If you remember, ninth one. Which formula is used? Tell me. Ask. Ninth one. Which formula is used?
A plus b whole square.
Yes, a plus b whole square, right? Very good. First of all, you have to identify the identity. That is the first thing, you know. Identify the identity. So it is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So what's the formula of a plus b whole square, Tanushree? A plus b whole square, right? A square plus b square. Okay, wait, let me change this pen. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Very good, Kartikeya. Now in this problem, a is equal to what? A kya hai? Tell me, in this problem, what is a?
X by 2.
X by 2. Very good, very good. Ask yourself, है ना? जब भी कुछ नहीं आए ना, आप अपने आप से पूछो. What is b? What is b?
3y by 4, sir.
3y by 4. Very good. 3y by 4. Correct. Now tell me, what is a square? A square value क्या होगा? X by 2 into x by 2. What is this? X by 2 into x by 2 क्या होगा?
Sir, x square by 4.
Correct. Very good. X square by 4. Very good, Tanushree. Very good, Sandhya. Right? And what is the value of b square? What is the value of b square? Step by step. तोड़ देना है. Problems को तोड़ देना है एकदम. है ना? Tell me.
Sir, 9y square by 16.
Correct. Very good. 9y square by 16. Very good. Correct. 9y square by 16. Right? And a 9y square by 16. And what is, so I can write like this. No, I can directly write like this. And correct, Tanushree. X square by 4 plus 9y square by 16 plus 2 into x by 2 into y by 3y by 4. Sorry, 3y by 4. Right? So 2 से 2 cancel. I can just write. हाँ ना या ना? समझ में आया सबको? Tell me. Got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt? Any other doubt in question number 1? 9.5 question number 1. So what is the first thing that we have to look for here? Identity, right? We have to look for the identity. So in question 1, all the questions are based on a plus b whole square. Every question is based on a plus b whole square, true or false? No, no sir. This is based on a square minus b square. This is also based on a square minus b square. This is also based on a square minus b square because it is a plus b, right? Or minus a plus b. Okay, right? So you have to identify the identity. Okay, okay. Now, question number 2. Question number 2. Someone asked question number 2. Third. 8-1 also. Okay. Let us see 8-1. Again, right? When you see 8-1, it is what? C minus A into C minus A. Yes or no? I can write it now, right? I can just use my commutative associative properties, right? Yes or no? So this is based on which formula? Tell me, which is the identity over here? Tell me. Tell me, Tanushree, which identity?
A minus b whole square.
Correct. A minus b whole square. So here A, right? So it is C minus A. It is C minus A whole square. I guess all of you can solve this now. C square plus A square minus 2AC. Okay? Done? Okay? Right. Any other doubts? Do not leave any doubt. Ask. Right? Do not leave any doubt. Aditya, Vihan, Ananya, Priya, Sanvi, Jia. Okay, no doubts? Chalo. 5th one, 9th one. Okay. 9th one तो अभी हो गया ना 9th one तो अभी किया 9th one we just solved ना Sanvi, right? 9th one we just solved. Okay, this 9th one, first 9th one we just solved. 5th one, let us see question of 5th. This is A minus B and A plus B. A plus B. So tell me, A minus B into A plus B, which formula? Tell me, A minus B into A plus B, which formula, Sunjana?
A square minus b square.
Correct, right? A square minus B square, है ना? A square minus B square. And what is A here? What is A? A is what? 1.1 m. So 1.1 m whole square minus B is 0.4. 0.4 whole square. So I guess all of you can solve now. है ना? All of you can solve now, right? So 1.1 whole square is what? Tell me 1.21 m square.
Yes, sir.
Minus this is 0.16. ठीक है? Done? Sanvi? Done? Sunny, 9th one we discussed now. You understood that? You can go through videos once again. After the class also. Second ka, any doubt? Second one. Tell me, question number 2. Question number 2, any doubts? Okay. 6th one. So 6th one, right? 6th one. Now, can you find any identity? Tell me, can you find any identity? Is there any identity? Tell me, which identity? If you have to find the identity, which identity? Yes or no? X plus A into X plus B, right? or you just multiply normally, right? Even if you don't remember the identity. Now, what is identity? Sir, identity is nothing but the multiplication, yes or no, right? Instead of multiplying, I just remember the basic result, right? That is your identity. Enough. If you don't remember the identity, multiply. Simple, right? You should not leave any problem because you don't remember the identity, right? The identities that we get, right, is the result of multiplication only, right? Right, everyone? Yes or no? Right? So here, what is x? Tell me, what is x? X is 2a squared. X is 2a squared. Enough, right? So if you see, or if you remember, the formula was what? X squared plus a plus b, x plus ab. Yes or no? This is the identity. This is the formula. Tell me, anyone? Okay. This, tell me, any doubt in this? Can you do it? Enough. So it will be what? It will be 2a whole squared because x is this plus 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5, है ना? A plus b, 9 plus 5 into x, which is 2a square into 2a square plus 9 into 5 directly. Okay, done. Done in the, tell me, this is clear? Okay, chalo. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? Yes, Jia, we will have Kahoot today. No doubt. Next one, question number 3. Three ka fifth one. Okay, third, fifth one. Third, fifth one. Now, everyone, I hope all of you have checked this third one, third ka, fourth also. Okay, fourth and fifth. Let us see. Fourth one pehle. Now, it is basic formula. And I guess we have discussed something like this in this one. Yes or no? Right? This one and this one. Don't you think that this is actually same? Yes or no? Tell me. The only thing that is changed is yes, a plus b ka whole square. Very good, Anushri. Right? So it is what? 2 by 3m whole square, a square, plus b square, which is 3 by 2 n square, plus 2 into 2 by 3m into 3 by 2 n, right? So if you solve 4 by 9 m squared plus 9 by 4 m squared, है ना? Plus 3 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. So I will be left with 2m into n. So this is the answer of fourth one. Done? Right? Done? Fourth one is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now fifth one. Now again, fifth is a minus b whole square. Now fifth is again same formula, a minus b whole square. So fifth one, do I need to solve or you understood? Tell me. Understood? Okay. And now just formula, just put the value. Okay. Now fourth, question number fourth, I guess many of you might be having doubts. है ना? So पूछ लो, कोई भी doubt है पूछ लो. Aditya, you're not asking doubts. Did you solve this? Because what I want you to do is at least galat ho, sahi ho, doesn't matter. You have to solve this. Rohan, did you solve this? First one, okay. First and fifth. Okay, let us see first one first. Now, okay, first 3/5. Okay. Now, Bindu, just let me ask you this problem, right? Apple plus mango whole square will give you what? Tell me, apple plus mango whole square will give you what?
Apple mango whole square.
Sir, apple square plus mango square plus apple mango.
2 into
2
apple whole square
Apple
plus
square plus mango.
mango square
plus
plus 2 into apple mango.
apple into mango. Very good.
Into.
So what is the concept that I'm asking you? Tell me, the concept that I'm asking you is doesn't matter what I'm putting here. Either I'm putting apple mango or I'm putting right like anything.
Mango
No,
square.
right? No, because these are the variables. These are the variables. I can put anything in the place of the variables. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? My formula is not going to change. Right? So see, don't you think that, sir, in this case,
A4.
I can solve it using two methods. Method one. Why two methods? Because I'm having two identity. I can use any of the two identity first. Right? So what? It is a minus b whole square, or it is x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square. Because ab is used, so I'll just write x minus y whole square. What is the formula of x minus y whole square? Tell me. Step by step. Everyone, step by step. What is x minus
Minus b square.
y whole square? X square plus y square minus 2xy. Yes or no? Ayana. Right? Yes or no? Minus, no, minus chemistry because it is x minus y. Okay? Right? X minus y square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay? Now, what is x? Tell me. If you compare this, what is the value of x? X is nothing but a square. No, x is nothing but a square. So this would be a square ka whole square plus what is y? Y is b square. So b square ka whole square minus 2 into a square into b square. Yes or no? Tell me. Raise your hand. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is a square ka whole square? Tell me. A square ka whole square is what?
A4.
8 power 4 now, because a square into a square, right, is equal to 8 power 4.
Okay, sir. I have.
Correct, Priya. What is b square ka whole square?
B to the power 4.
B power 4. Correct. And this is
A to the
minus
power
2.
Minus
Yes.
2a square
Correct.
b square.
Yes. So this is done. Bindu, clear hai? Concept clear ho gaya hai?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Hai na? See, if you don't get asked, doesn't matter if I have to explain 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, I will explain. But you have to do some work, right? Hai na? Okay. Then third one. Now, if you see the third one, right, we have to be smart, right? And again, I hope all of you are not lazy. If you're lazy, then it will be difficult because you have to solve. How many of you have solved a problem which will take more than one page? I don't think that anyone have solved any problem which will take more than one page, right? That is also kind of thing that we have to learn, right? Patience, right? Whenever we have a bigger problem, longer problem, we tends to make mistake. Yes or no? Tell me, how many of you have observed that whenever the problem become bigger, we have to make more mistake? Tell me, yes, right? Okay, so let me take this problem, third one. It is not like you cannot solve. Ask yourself that what is the concept which I cannot get in question number 3. Tell me. There are two identities. Yes or no? Step by step. Ask whenever you have problem. Ask. Ask yourself. Okay. Now I will ask someone, Bindu, tell me in question number 3, what is the first identity, Bindu? What is the first identity? Tell me. First identity. A minus B whole square. है ना? A minus B whole square. Very good. And the second identity, same, A plus B whole square. Right? Okay. What is the formula? So it is basically this. No, it is basically this. A minus B whole square plus A plus B whole square. It is basically this question. Yes or no? Tell me. हाँ या ना? Basically यही है ना? A की जगह पे कुछ है, B की जगह पे कुछ है.
Yes.
But basic problem is this only. Agree? Tell me. Agree? Yes or no? Sinchana, Tanushree, Sanvi, right? Okay, what is the formula of A minus B whole square? What is the formula of A minus B whole square? Write it down. We will write it down.
minus 2ab plus b square.
Very good. Very good.
Square
है ना?
plus square minus 2ab.
Correct. And what is the formula of A plus B whole square?
A square plus 2ab plus b square plus b square plus 2ab.
Correct. Now, can I say that something will get cancelled? Tell me. Can I say that something will get cancelled?
Sir,
Minus 2ab plus 2ab.
2ab.
Very good. Very good. This and this will get cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, A square plus A square will give me what?
2a square. So a to the power of 4.
No, no. Again, remember A square plus A square and A square into A square are two different things. Remember, I've told you the exact same thing in the last class also. Ha ya na? Tell me. Apple plus apple. 2 apple. Apple into apple is not 2 apple. Apple into apple is apple square. ठीक है? Right? Yes or no? है ना? This is one mistake that generally people do. Right? So this is 2a square. This is not 2a square.
A to the power 4.
Yes, this is 8 power 4. This is PAP. This is not 2a square. This is PAP. है ना? Right? So हमें ये PAP नहीं करना है. We should not do this PAP. Okay, we should not do this PAP. ठीक है? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and again, b square plus b square.
2b square.
2b square. Very good. 2b square. So don't you think that this is the answer? Tell me, this is the answer? Yes or no?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, what you have to do? Again, here, instead of A, what is given? Instead of A, we have 7m. And instead of B, we have 8m. है ना? Correct? So, we just have to put this now 2 into 7m whole square, 2a square, plus 2 into 8m whole square. Right?
Sir.
Done? Everyone done with this? So it will be what? 2 into 49m square. No, this is n. My bad. This is n. Plus 64 into 2. 2 into 64 m square. So 98m square plus 128.
M square.
Okay? Got it? Tell me, got this? Mayana.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, fifth one. Now, fifth one. Always rewrite your problem. That is the best way I'm asking you to, like for competitive examinations or any exams, right? Apart from your school exam, you can think of the basics, right? In school exam, do as your school teacher says. Okay, otherwise you won't get marks, right? So this is one mistake that people generally do, right? When they do not read the problem properly, because it should be 0, right? अगर a minus b square minus a minus b square होता तो वो तो 0 होता ना, right? Obviously तो प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होता, but question is not that, right? Question is not that, है ना? Question is different. Question is different, right? But the identity that we have to use is a minus b whole square. So let us see. So this is what? A minus b whole square, which is 2.5
minus
b
1.5 q square
whole square plus 1.5 q whole square minus 2 into 2.5 p into 1.5 q. Yes or no? The first term, right? The expansion of first term. Then again minus bracket, because this whole term will be in bracket. 1.5 what? P square.
minus
Yeah, we just use the different pen. 1.5 p whole square plus 2.5 q whole square, right? Minus 2 into 2.5 p, sorry, 2.5 q into 1.5 p. Clear है? ये step समझ में आया सबको?
yes sir.
Anyone have any doubt in this step? Anyone have any doubt in this step? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt in this step? Raise your hand.
Sir, no doubt.
No doubt? Okay, so I will just expand, है ना? 2.5 का whole square कितना होता है? What is 2.5 whole square? 2.5 into 2.5? 6.25, correct. 6.25 p square plus 1.5 whole square is 2.25 q square, है ना? Minus 2 into 2.5, 5. 5 into 1.5, 7.5. ठीक है? Right? Minus, this minus. Now again, sign will change now, right? So this will become what? Minus, tell me, 2.25 p square minus 6.25, tell me, q square, and minus become plus 7.5 pq. Now tell me, what do you think about the answer? Is there anything which is getting cancelled? Can you find the like terms over here? Can you find like terms over here? Take your time. Let me know. Take your time and let me know. Like
So
terms.
minus 7.5 PQ and plus 7.5 PQ.
Yes. Minus 7.5 PQ and plus 7.5 PQ. Anything else?
No sir.
No, no other like terms. There are different like terms. Like terms there are actually. I'm not saying that it is totally cancelled.
Sir, 6.25 p
Tell me.
Sir, 6.25 P square minus 2.25 P square.
Correct. है ना? Right? Correct. So see here, this and this will get cancelled. This and this will get cancelled totally. But 6.25 p square minus 2.25 p square. Tell me, what would be the answer? 6.25 minus 2.25. कितना होगा?
So 4P square.
4p square. नहीं विहान, ये है ना pq के बाद ये है ना, ये पूरा टर्म है ना, ये पूरा टर्म है ना, समझे विहान, राइट? ये है ना पूरा, ये जो पूरा टर्म है वो यहाँ है ना, 1.5 p square, right? So it will be, the answer would be this minus this 4p square. Then tell me, minus 6.25 q square and plus 2.25 q square will give me what? Minus 4 q square. This is the answer. हाँ है ना, this is the answer.
Minus 4Q square.
Yes, minus 4 q square. Clear? सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Very good. Any other doubts in question number 5? Fifth you have to prove, right? Fifth you have to prove. So fifth में doubt नहीं होना चाहिए. Fifth को बस prove करना है ना. You just have to multiply and check LHS and RHS, right? Solve LHS, solve RHS and prove. ठीक है? So I don't think कि 6 में दिक्कत होगा. 7, 8, 9 is easy. 7, 8, 9 is easy, right? Anyone have any doubt? Tell me. If you don't have any doubt, then we can start with Kahoot. If you have doubt, please ask. Seventh one. Okay, let us see question. Now, see, seventh is same, right? The only thing that happens over here, right, that you are given what? You are given numbers in place of variables. For example, let us see this one. Seventh ka fourth one. It is a square minus b square, no? A square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b into a plus b. As simple. So here a is 12.1. So it is 12.1 minus 7.9 into 12.1 plus 7.9. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है, right? Okay, Vihan, that's what I'm discussing. So 12.1 minus 7.9 is what? Tell me. 12.1 minus 7.9 is what? 4.8. Sorry, 4.8, 4.2.
4.2, sir.
Right, 4.2, yes, 4.2 into 12.1 into 7.9 is basically 20. Right, so now I guess now it is easy to solve, hai na? 4.2 into 20 is, tell me, 84. Done? Easy. Vihan, got this? Maybe Vihan, got this? Okay, so you can solve, right? Solve all the problems. 8 ka fourth. Okay, 8 ka fourth. 8 ka fourth. So see, 9.7 can be written as what? 10 minus 0.3 Mayana.
Yes,
And
sir.
9.8 can be written as 10 minus 0.2. So which formula we will use? ये formula use हो गया ना, x minus a into x minus b. Done? Yes or no? समझ में आ गया? Where a, or you can say a is equal to 0. minus 0.3 and b is equal to minus 0.2. Tanushri, got this? Tell me, Tanushri.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here a is minus 0.3, b is minus 0.2. Okay. Next. Okay, so done, right? So we are finished with this. We are done with this. Okay. Chalo. Okay, guys, very good.